try not to fall asleep. I'm alone in this coffee shop, alone in this coffee shop. Want somebody to try not to fall asleep. I'm alone in this coffee shop. I'm drunk in this coffee shop, drunk in this coffee shop, drunk in this coffee shop, drunk in this coffee shop.
I'm excited right now. I heard we're making some drinks.
We're making a few drinks. This is our Skillet flight.
Okay.
So it consists of the brown sugar cinnamon, our salted caramel mocha, a s'mores latte, and a Skillet latte.
Really?
And I did hear that the s'mores is your favorite, so we're gonna put a little extra love into that one.
Look at that. Veronica loves me.
All right, so they're ready over here with some of our syrups in them. Our brown sugar cinnamon has brown sugar, Swiss chocolate, and a little bit of cinnamon in it.
Okay.
Salted caramel mocha is exactly what it sounds like. It has salted caramel and our mocha in it.
Love it.
S'mores is toasted marshmallow with mocha.
Okay.
And then our Skillet coffee is caramel, hazelnut, and vanilla.
I love how you know all of that.
Oh my,
Like
I'm
the back of
obsessed
your
with them. They're the best. Everyone gets them.
Let's do it. So can I help?
Yeah, of course. So I have espresso over here. You're going to have to measure it very carefully.
I'm going to measure this?
Yes, because that is 4 shots of espresso. So each cup does need to have 1 exact shot of espresso.
So,
do you think you can handle it?
Every single one has to have 1 shot?
Yes, so that's 4 in there. So.
Oh, this is getting.
Do you think you can do this?
I hope so. Wait up.
All right, you got it. All right, next. Next.
I'm like gauging it by like the little thing right there.
All right, you were close.
Last one's a little weak,
We're a
but
little short on the last one.
Shout out DQ. He wouldn't pour a weak shot like that.
All right, so
Okay.
now we take the cups out.
Okay.
Every time you stir them, you always want to make sure that you put the spoon back into the water because we want to avoid any cross-contamination with all of our drinks.
Look at that. We are healthy right here, I think.
So after we mix them all up, we do put ice in them. We do fill it up to the top.
So we're gonna put a little bit of ice right now. Look, I can help. I can help.
Yeah, you think you can handle that? There you go.
Here you go. Look at this.
So now, standard, we always use regular milk unless someone asks for a substitute almond oat. They don't get whipped cream. For the regular coffee flights, they always get whipped cream.
So we're adding some milk right now?
Yes, we are.
Love that.
Okay, so we always fill them up. Not all the way to the top, only because the whipped cream has to have some place to balance itself since the cups are so tall and skinny.
So you don't fill it up all the way to the top because we need some whipped cream.
Yep.
Essentially.
That's the best part. You gotta get all the toppings, the decorations. You have to see when we walk through the dining room and everyone turns their heads to watch the flights come through.
Oh, that's what I said. The first time I came here, I went over there. I was like, I want whatever that is.
Oh my god, it's amazing. Or it's even cooler when you're holding 2 at one time. That kind of flex.
2 at one time?
When you're walking through, we put all the milk in them. We always have to mix them. This one is the brown sugar.
This is brown sugar?
Yes.
I was about to drink it too. You saw me? I was about to drink it. Okay.
So, take them like this. They do it nice and high so that it can balance. All right, I'm trusting you to do the next one.
I can do this. All right, wait up.
I give it like a 7 out of 10.
Okay. Give me another one. Wait up. This one, that one was okay. That one was okay.
You guys have to tell us which one looks better. Right?
This one looks clearly horrible. Oh, I was so close, and then this little thing came out.
It was almost perfect, almost as good as mine. All right, you have one more chance to redeem yourself.
All right.
Make it a good one. All right.
Hey.
I give that one a 9 out of 10.
That one's
you guys
good.
Let us know what you think.
Come on.
All right, so you ready to put the toppings on?
I'm in.
All right, so brown sugar cinnamon is always topped with our cinnamon.
So brown sugar cinnamon with cinnamon.
Yep, so you take it right out of here.
Okay.
And it comes out very fast, so you do have to do it a little lightly. But this is our brown sugar cinnamon. This one's very popular. A lot of people order that one. Salted caramel mocha. Can you guess what it's topped with?
Caramel and mocha.
And?
Salted
Salt. Alright, so we do the mocha first because that one's the darkest one. And then the caramel on top layers it really nicely. So it would have looked a little better if the whipped cream was a little better.
Are you trying to say my whipped cream job is messed up? Because I completely agree. This looks terrible.
Alright, so now we put caramel on top. And you drizzle it just like that.
Okay.
And then it gets a little bit of salt.
On top?
Yep. And that is our salted caramel mocha. All right, this one's your favorite.
Okay.
So, this one's our s'mores latte. This one gets topped with mocha, graham crackers, and marshmallows.
Mocha, graham crackers, and marshmallows.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Beautiful. All right, now you put some marshmallows on it.
A little bit of marshmallow action. Here you go. I'll hold it for you.
Thank you very much. 3 little marshmallows right on top, and that is our s'mores latte.
Love that.
And now the Skillet coffee, similar toppings to the salted caramel mocha. It's
Okay.
mocha drizzle and then caramel on top. Do you think you got it?
I got this. Easily got this. Look at that. Boom. Wait. One handy.
There you go, one hand. You got it.
Look at that. Oh. Little excessive, but I got it. I think I got it.
All right, so that is our Skillet coffee.
Wow.
And then all together, this is our Skillet coffee flight.
What?
So make sure you come to the Skillet and check it out.
I'm excited. Can we drink one?
Of course we can.
All right. Cheers. Actually, I'm going to take your favorite. Here you go. You can have
Try
my
it.
favorite. You can have my favorite.
That one has less espresso in it, so you can have that one because I need to wake up a little bit.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, you love it.
It was good. Now let's go get some food.
Coffee shop to fall asleep. I'm alone in this coffee shop. Alone in this coffee shop. Want somebody